You say what that is? What? Say, thinking all love is not going nowhere. You're thinking about it
right now.
So daddy, my young boy, and that's all that I wanna do. She was shanda kunyore, kukuta so tinyara. Tirivan vinyama tichanye, but that's all. Say what you don't do this. Say we don't do this. I hate every time when in the end it was even tidy, and then it was even shabby. What? Shemoyo deshedu, sherosi kama kona na deshedu. Shemavi na zibutwe, nyanze wanudana na zibutwe. Shemaku wa desabo, sheraga ni taura desabo. Shaneta ni butwe, shego puti romu shani bube. You say what that is you man? What? What? Simanyata, yeah, simanyata. You say what that is you man? What? On the shoulder tell you. Yeah, simanyata no. Simanyata no. You're the only girl I'm in love with. Simanyata no. You know that I hate when we fighting. We say we don't do this. I say we don't do this. In the end it was even tidy, and then it was even shabby. What? I hate every time when you're the only girl I'm in love with. Simanyata no. You know that I hate when we fighting. Put the shots no. Why? Pussy bini pamanada, yeah. Jago para tani kwa nevanu. They don't do this. They don't. We do this, shawty. In the end it was even tidy, and the end it was even. One more time. Shemoyo deshedu, sherosi kama kona na deshedu. Shemavi na zibutwe, nyanza wanudana na zibutwe. Shemaku wa desabo, sheraga ni taura desabo. Shaneta ni butwe, shogu puti romu shani bube. That is you and mine. Wanna Shona tell you? Simanyata no. You say what? One more time, that is you and mine. Why? Wanna Shona tell you? Shona. Simanyata no. Simanyata no. Wana mamoyo wari gwero. Wana mamoyo wari bari. Uru mamoyo leo. Ora ni buwimbire. Oh. Are you single? Yo, I got someone special coming out on stage just now. If you know this, sing with me. Let's go, sing. I can go to Pote. I can go to Cebu. Say what? Dogo funga ni chimuka. Dogo hita ushizuka. Tiribande ne buruba. Kati sapara zae. Dogo funga ni chimuka. Dogo hita ushizuka. Lately I will never leave you. Wake up when the baseline kicking got your waistline. Waking got your big digits, got your ready go. Waking up and feeling like Romeo. And then my Juliet. Every minute I wanna know what you where you at. I can't go to party. You say what? I can't go to sleep. Thank you, baby. Anze burugwa bakona. Burugwa. Do visa. So I'm gonna do a song that I dedicated to my sister who passed away in 2008, and it's a special song to me, and I hope it's a special song to you. And if you know it, please sing with me. Upon a time, I met a girl named Chiba. She said the last thing on her mind was loving me. I don't wanna be a player. Moyo wangu dewake. Tell me that you love me, that you are mine. I love you. In my arms, sing my song all night long. Treat me like a mother would. Treat me like you never need another boo, yeah. Kuva mashingo kushinga bemuda. Daka fama wese wese. Daka shine where I dust away. Hold you down like you deserve. Sango pepereka. Sango pepereka, Sango pepereka. You the only girl in the world I know that I rimujere. Uganditi dite nindoita. I used to say I will never ever relocate for love. I see Uganditi dite nindoita. Tell me that you love me. In my arms, sing my song all night long. Treat me like a mother would. Treat me like you never need mashingo kushika bebuja
Takafanya kwese kwese. Show you the way I can just away. Hold you down like you deserve.
One more time we say Sango Pepereka Sango Pepereka Say what? Sango Pepereka Sango Pepereka I don't have a lot of time here, and I might not be able to perform some songs, but I'm gonna try to pick up. Can we do CTL? CTL? Do you guys know that one? Do you know that one? You know it's easier. Plenty girls in the world, some of them wanna talk, but they grind on me. Never cross that line, I'm never crossing over that line. Many men wanna spend couple X, pay rent, put up bills. Say what? Tanga watu no nida, usandi tu no nida, kana shirizwe de ma. Ndakapira kupa moyo wangu kunyang'anwa wanofirika fungwa. Yeah, if it's really what you want, then I did it with you one day. I'm here, Mabisana Sambe. Yeah, we no want it. We're gonna do this song right now. This one's for my ex. And I think she's somewhere in here. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Plenty girls in the world, some of them wanna twerk, but they grind on me. Never cross that line, I'm never crossing over that line. Many men wanna spend couple racks, pay a rent, put up it. So what? Never cross that line. Kama watu lonida, usani tu lonida, kana shini jenema. Nakapirika kupa moyo wangu kunelana, nakapirika kupa. Yeah, if it's really what you want, then I need it what you want, one day.
Shorty, I'm
Sanga Sambe. The verse goes, I fell in love with no warning. Ruzoibo funasi na warning. How did I fall in? This back and forth getting boring. Said I you just saying sorry. You running, why you running? Plenty girls in the world, some of them wanna twerk, but they grind on me. Never cross that line, I'm never crossing over that line. Many men wanna spend couple racks, pay rent, put the bands on you. Never cross that line, should've never crossed that line. Kana watu lonida, usani tu lonida, kana shini jenema. Nakapirika kupa moyo wangu kunelana, wanofirika kupa. Yeah, if it's really what you want, then I need it what you want, one day.
Shorty, I'm Sana Sambe.
Thank you. I'm gonna do 2 more. Yeah. they do is cover for some media. Say, if I die, million. Say, till it's time for the war. With the right Maria. I just wanna make a couple billion. Cause I'm mild to disease. When you can't get your ease. Keep your mouth on the leash. With a winner look with your bed. For the mind, you peace. I'm in London with my niece. Say, should I buy Louis V? Okay, oh, I just get Gucci when I land. Say, Gucci. You say, Gucci fighting, booty side, hey. Say, booty side, hey. City downtown, booty side, hey. City time, but I'm a yeah. Did you get some job with my praise? Did the side on the way? Do I try to talk with my praise? And you tell me no, let me. Say your girlfriend nothing more, let me. I'm your role model, homie. Say what? Money to me, that shit. Say, feed the right money walk. Check the side for your walk. Like a rhyme, make it walk. What they do is cover social media. If I die, idiot. Check the time when I walk. With the right money walk. I just wanna make a couple billion. Yeah. Say what? Let the right make it walk. All they do is cover social media. If I die, idiot. Check the time when I walk. With the right money up. I just wanna make it couple billion. What's up? Upenyu Festival, Morigo Erogo. Okay. Makasih Erogo. Abanachi era Morigo Erogo. Abana majue Morigo Erogo. But the reason why I saved this last one, the reason why I saved this one, I wrote this song for my daughter. I have an 8-year-old daughter, Anantadana, and she's turning 9 years old on the 3rd of May. And I wrote this song for her. And if you know it, please sing with me. It goes something like this. So many things I say. Baby, and the reason I wrote this song is because she doesn't live here with me. She lives somewhere far. And I don't get to see her every day. And that's why I wrote this song. Run it back for me, please. If you know it, please sing with me. I get emotional when I make this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, we say. So many things I say. So many promises, but I'm here now. You've been feeling kinda lonely, but I'm in. Life sometimes puts a load on me, but I'm here. I love you. I want to say things that you should know. My eyes on you. Cause I don't get up. Call me on the bell. Cause I don't get up. I don't do it. Love me when you dance for me, girl. See some of your past. I'll be there tonight. Sing it, shake. I should have do So many things I say, but you didn't get a cool zase chirengera kuya ashire rudodina ayu ashire rudodina. So many promises, but I'm here now. Thank you guys so much. My name is Takura, and I appreciate you for spending your money to see some of us and supporting local. I'll see you next time.